and welcome back to the channel. We're kicking things off this week with a look at the stock market, and let me tell you, things aren't looking pretty. The S&P 500 is teetering on the edge of a full-blown bear market, and investors are understandably nervous. But you know what? This isn't the time to panic. This is the time to get strategic. Remember, every bear market in history has been followed by a bull market, and this one's going to be a big one. That's why today, we're diving deep into an asset class with massive upside potential: cryptocurrency. We're going to unpack the top 5 cryptocurrencies I believe are poised to absolutely explode in the next bull market. So, if you're ready to position your portfolio for explosive growth, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive in. First up, we have the OG cryptocurrency, the one that started it all, Bitcoin. Launched in 2009 by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin has paved the way for the entire cryptocurrency market. It's the pioneer, the trailblazer, the one that showed the world what digital currency could be. Now you might be thinking, Bitcoin? Really, that's so 2017. But hold on a second. While it may seem like old news to some, Bitcoin's relevance and importance have only grown over the years, and yeah, it's been around for a while, but for good reason. Bitcoin is the most established cryptocurrency, with the largest market cap and the highest level of liquidity. It's the benchmark against which all other cryptocurrencies are measured. It's like the gold standard of the crypto world. Just as gold has been a store of value for centuries, Bitcoin is becoming the digital equivalent, often referred to as digital gold. But here's the thing. Bitcoin is much more than just a store of value. It's a medium of exchange, a unit of account, and a potential hedge against inflation. People are using it for everyday transactions, from buying coffee to purchasing real estate. It's a revolutionary technology that has the potential to change the way we think about money. The underlying blockchain technology ensures transparency, security, and decentralization, which are game changers in the financial world. And despite its past volatility, Bitcoin has consistently trended upwards over the long term. If you look at the historical price data, you'll see a clear upward trajectory, making it an attractive investment for those with a long-term perspective. Remember those early adopters who bought Bitcoin for pennies? They took a risk on a new and unproven technology, and it paid off in a big way. Yeah, they're laughing all the way to the bank. Their foresight and willingness to embrace innovation have made them some of the wealthiest individuals in the crypto space. Now, past performance is not indicative of future results, but I believe Bitcoin is still in its early innings. The market is still evolving, and there are many more milestones to be achieved. As more and more institutional investors jump on board and regulations become clearer, we could see Bitcoin reach heights we never thought possible. The involvement of big financial players adds a layer of legitimacy and stability to the market. Think about it. Limited supply, increasing demand, and a growing ecosystem. These are the perfect ingredients for a potentially explosive growth scenario. Bitcoin is a true game changer, and it deserves a spot in any well-diversified crypto portfolio. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a newcomer to the crypto world, Bitcoin offers a unique opportunity to be part of a financial revolution. Next up, we have the powerhouse of the crypto world, Ethereum. Known for its versatility and robust capabilities, Ethereum has become a cornerstone in the blockchain ecosystem. Now, while Bitcoin was the first mover, Ethereum took the technology a step further by introducing smart contracts. These aren't just any contracts, they are self-executing agreements coded directly onto the blockchain. These self-executing contracts automate agreements, eliminating the need for intermediaries and opening up a world of possibilities. Imagine a world where transactions are seamless, trustless, and instantaneous. But Ethereum's true potential lies in its role as the foundation for decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi is not just a buzzword, it's a revolutionary movement that's reshaping the financial landscape. DeFi is revolutionizing the financial industry by building a more open, transparent, and accessible financial system. It allows anyone with an internet connection to participate in financial activities that were once reserved for the elite. Think lending, borrowing, trading, and more, all without the need for banks or other centralized institutions. This democratization of finance is empowering individuals worldwide. And the best part? Ethereum is constantly evolving. The community of developers and innovators behind Ethereum is always working on new upgrades and improvements. With the upcoming Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, we can expect to see even faster transaction speeds, lower fees, and improved scalability. This upgrade is set to address many of the current limitations and propel Ethereum to new heights. This is a game changer for Ethereum and the entire DeFi ecosystem. The enhancements will make Ethereum more efficient and user-friendly, attracting even more users and developers. Now I know what you're thinking, Ethereum's gas fees are insane. These high fees have been a significant barrier for many users. And yeah, they can be high, but that's a testament to the network's popularity and the sheer volume of transactions happening on it. The demand for Ethereum's capabilities is undeniable, but with Ethereum 2.0 on the horizon, those gas fees are set to become a thing of the past. The upgrade promises to significantly reduce these fees, making the network more accessible to everyone. Ethereum is a true innovator, and its potential is limitless. From smart contracts to DeFi, the possibilities are endless. If you're looking for a cryptocurrency that's at the forefront of the DeFi revolution, Ethereum is a must-have in your portfolio. Its continuous evolution and groundbreaking technology make it an essential asset for any forward-thinking investor. Chapter 3: Cardano, the Sustainable Challenger. Now let's talk about a project that's near and dear to my heart, Cardano. Cardano is a third-generation blockchain platform that's built on a foundation of peer-reviewed research and scientific rigor. It's like the brainy kid in class who always does their homework. But don't let that fool you. Cardano is also a powerhouse when it comes to scalability and sustainability. It uses a unique proof-of-stake consensus mechanism called Ouroboros, which is far more energy efficient than Bitcoin's proof-of-work system. And speaking of sustainability, Cardano is also committed to social impact. They're working on projects in developing countries, using blockchain technology to empower communities and drive positive change. Now, Cardano might not have the same name recognition as Bitcoin or Ethereum, but it's quickly gaining traction. With its focus on scalability, sustainability, and real-world applications, Cardano is a force to be reckoned with. If you're looking for a cryptocurrency that's not only a good investment, but also aligned with your values, Cardano is definitely worth checking out. Chapter 4: Solana, the Speed Demon. Next up, we have the speed demon of the crypto world, Solana. Solana is a high-performance blockchain that's designed for speed and scalability. We're talking lightning-fast transaction speeds and incredibly low fees. Solana achieves this through its innovative proof-of-history consensus mechanism, which allows it to process thousands of transactions per second. That's right, thousands. To put that into perspective, Bitcoin can only handle a handful of transactions per second. This makes Solana ideal for decentralized applications that require high throughput and low latency, such as gaming, decentralized exchanges, and NFT marketplaces. Now Solana is a relatively new player in the crypto space, but it's already making waves. Its impressive technology and growing ecosystem have attracted a lot of attention from developers and investors alike. If you're looking for a cryptocurrency that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the blockchain space, Solana is definitely one to watch. Chapter 5: Polkadot, the Internet of Blockchains. Last but not least, we have the connector of the crypto world, Polkadot. This innovative platform is designed to bridge the gaps between various blockchains, enabling them to work together seamlessly. Polkadot is a multi-chain network that allows different blockchains to communicate and interact with each other. It's like a digital highway system, facilitating smooth and efficient data transfer between diverse blockchain networks. Think of it as the Internet of blockchains. Just as the Internet connects various networks around the world, Polkadot connects different blockchains, creating a unified ecosystem. With Polkadot, blockchains are no longer siloed ecosystems. They can now interact and share resources, breaking down barriers that previously isolated them. They can share data, assets, and even functionality, creating a more interconnected and interoperable blockchain landscape. This means that information and value can flow more freely across different platforms. This opens up a world of possibilities for developers, who can now build applications that leverage the strengths of multiple blockchains. Imagine creating a decentralized application that utilizes the security of one blockchain and the speed of another. For example, you could have a DeFi application built on Ethereum that uses Polkadot to access data from a privacy-focused blockchain like Monero. This kind of cross-chain functionality can lead to more robust and versatile applications. Polkadot is still in its early stages of development, but its potential is huge. The team behind Polkadot is continuously working on enhancing its capabilities and expanding its ecosystem. As the crypto space continues to grow and mature, the need for interoperability will only become more important. The ability to connect different blockchains will be crucial for the future of decentralized technologies, and Polkadot is well positioned to be the leader in this space. Its innovative approach and strong development team make it a formidable player in the blockchain world. If you're looking for a cryptocurrency that's building the future of blockchain interoperability, Polkadot is definitely worth considering. Its vision of a connected blockchain ecosystem could very well shape the future of the crypto industry. So there you have it, folks, my top 5 cryptocurrencies that I believe are poised for explosive growth in the next bull market. Remember, the crypto market is still in its early stages and there are bound to be bumps along the way. But for those who are willing to ride the waves and invest for the long term, the potential rewards are enormous. As always, I encourage you to do your own research and make informed investment decisions. Don't just take my word for it. Dig deep, understand the technology, and invest in projects that you believe in. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future updates. Until next time, happy investing.